Good morning, guys. It's ATO. What's up, you guys? It's Go Dogs Fall. And what you guys be up to? Anything fuck fresh? Anything exciting? Well, right now, you guys, I'm just trying to figure things out. Don't know why my video didn't really schedule right. Let's see. Channel. No, but it's amazing, you guys. And it's really challenging to be someone that's really trying to figure things out in life. I had it set up right. I don't know why I did not schedule, but that's okay. Because I got lots of messages saying it's not uploaded. So right now I'm going to just take a shower. So I'll talk to you guys when I take a shower.
This is my vlog channel. Check out my main channel. Do. It's Go Dogs for One.
So right now, you guys, I am going to be jumping in the shower. So I'll talk to you guys when I'm done in the shower. So I am just going to my parents' place right now for supper. So I will talk to you guys when I am going to my parents' place for supper, and we can maybe play a game tonight. That's what we are maybe gonna do. So I'll talk to you guys when I am whatever we're gonna have for supper. So right now, you guys, we are just playing Dominoes. That's what we're doing. So. So I'm going to take this video, you guys, so I will talk to you guys tomorrow with a brand new video. Goodbye!